We are here with running the levels. Okay, everyone, we are marking up USD SGD. So what we're going to try to do is figure out how to break down charts. Okay, so let's go back to where price began at. And what's going on there, we can clearly see that we got that decline, multiple pushes down to the bottom. So this area is 1, 2, 3, and then the market sold down. So this is almost like a triple top in a way. I know it's coming at an angle, but if you thought about something coming up from this angle here, it'll be 1, 2, 3, triple top, market can't break, sold down. Okay, another retest, drop down back to areas of lower lows. When we are in that areas of lower lows, we have to figure out how to break the market down. So what we can do is we can put a line on that support level. Okay, so we already know that's the lowest the market can go. And then you put a divider on top of there, all the way across the opposite end. And we can go another level up. Let's take it up again. With trading this market, we can clearly see after that downtrend that the market was in, it came all the way back down to lowest lows of support. It consolidated sideways, and the market formed some double bottom / double tops. The market pushed up to second levels. So there's a lot of consolidation in here. And once the market reached down to the bottom of lows, you can say first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market shut up once, market shut up twice, market shut up 3 times. And then once the market entered this area here, it came back to retest. And this is where we got that double top. So first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest is right here. Market shot down once, create enough momentum to push back up, and has a double bottom. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. So we can see these wicks in this area here, very important. I'm going to break that down in a second. Retest, and now we got to figure out what the market's going to do. Look like it's doing another double bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. That last candle is a doji, which is a retest. So market's going to either shoot up from there or shoot down. So what we can do is we're going to go back. I'm going to clear the screen. I'm going to circle some areas that's very important here that we can pay attention to. So we already see that the market is doing the same thing over and over since it began. So at every peak, we see these long wicks at the top. 3 on this side, 2, 3 on that side. That 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So with all these wicks coming up, that's basically the market having trouble breaking to go to the next area. So if you think about a resistance line being here, market came up once, came back down, market came up twice, came back down, came back again for a retest, came back down. Overall pattern is what? Let's throw it out. Got a resistance line. You see that market pushed up once, market pushed up twice, market pushed up 3 times. Triple top, everyone. So we know when we see the triple top, what's happening? The market's probably going to retest, going to sell down. Okay, so that's what it's doing right here. But pay attention to these levels. Sometimes when you get in the market, it may be when we see these long trends, it may be difficult to find areas to where to mark up and where to start. So one thing you can do is think about putting support and resistance lines, SR lines, in between areas of peaks. So when you do that, you think about the market is breaking up to new levels or break it down to new levels. We can clearly see them. If you want to sit here and say the market started from here and work its way up, it's just bouncing up and down, up and down. Finally got that full breakout to new levels. bouncing up and down, up and down, up and down. Now is it going to break out to the upside, or is it going to break down and go back to the area of support? Okay. So I hope that was helpful. Okay, everyone, this is USD SGD running the levels.